channel. If you're new here, my name is Diamond. So I'm here with a quick what I eat in a day video. I just recently posted a video of me starting to take the CBD Total Life Changes ISO tea, and I wanted to come with you guys with a quick video to show you what I eat in a day. I've had my CBD tea already. I had 1 pack of this with a lemon this morning. I've drank that. You're supposed to have it 30 minutes prior to eating anything for the day, and I'm going to make my first meal. So let's get right into it. As of right now, I am sticking to a 1400 calorie diet. I use MyFitnessPal to calculate everything that I eat for the day. So I'll be using it throughout this video to show you how I use it. My breakfast varies morning to morning or afternoon to afternoon, but this is what I'm having. I'm gonna make some pancakes, and in my pancakes, I add cinnamon and nutmeg, some egg whites, and some chicken sausage. For the past month or so before I started taking the ISO tea, I've been weighing my food. So I weigh literally everything that I eat to make sure that I'm getting the calories that I need. Right now, I've been very cautious on how many carbs I eat for the day. I got this keto pancake waffle mix, and I just follow portion size on here. It's 160 calories per serving. So I'm only going to make 1 serving since it's only me. And I use my scale here. I'll link it down below if you're interested. I got it from Amazon for like 10 bucks. The serving is 35 grams, and this says add water, but I have a high protein intake for the day. Instead of water, I use the Ripple vanilla protein. So this and this combined, 17 grams of protein in that in itself. It calls for, I have a cup of water, so I'm just gonna put a half a cup in this in here. It doesn't matter how much because this doesn't have any calories, carbs, or anything like that. I have these chicken breakfast sausage. I don't really eat a lot of processed foods, but this is high in protein and it gives me more of my protein intake for the day. This video is strictly about calories, so I'm not gonna go over my macros, but 1 link of this is 45 calories. So I'm gonna have 2 of them, and 2 of them is 10 grams of protein. I have a disposable cup here. I go ahead and I measure out my egg whites. These are the egg whites that I use. Sometimes I buy like the whole cage of eggs, and then sometimes I buy this. This is easier for me to use, but I always do 2 servings of this as well because it has 5 grams of protein in each serving. This is 25 calories per serving. This amount of eggs is only going to be 50 calories. 92 grams of that. All right, so I have some frozen spinach here. I'm gonna add to my eggs. So I'm only gonna do half a serving, which would be 40 grams. I add this into my eggs. I just totally forgot that I had some. It's dairy free. I don't eat cheese or any dairy aside from ice cream. I'll eat ice cream. 1 full serving is 80 calories. I'm gonna do half a serving, so 40. So I'll be doing 14 grams. This is my breakfast here. I'm not done. I'm gonna add half a banana. So that's 95 grams. I am going to add some maple syrup. I'm gonna add half a serving of this because 1 serving is 200 calories. That's a lot of syrup for me. I'm gonna keep it at 16 milliliters. So that's even gonna cut my calories even more. And then I love nuts. Pause, no pun intended. So I'm gonna crush up some walnuts. I'm gonna have lunch around like 2:30, 3 o'clock. This is actually what I'm gonna have for lunch. Just bag chicken, super simple, super easy. 4 ounces is 220 calories. I might do 6 ounces because I do want higher protein in my meal. I'm actually going to measure it, take it out now, and let it defrost. All right, guys, now I'm gonna record my lunch. It's been about 2 hours. I'm gonna make the wings that I showed you earlier really quickly in this air fryer behind me. I pulled out my air fryer to make them. And I'm just gonna go over how much I'm gonna have. This actually comes out to 7.8 ounces. 4 ounces is 1 serving, so this is about 2 servings of the wings. Once I plug this in, I'll know exactly how many calories it is. So 2 servings come out to around 480 with the cucumbers, maybe 500 calories, but we'll see. About every 2 weeks, I change up what I eat just to see what my body likes and what doesn't like. I keep a journal of everything that I eat for the day, every single day, so that I know exactly how I do with it. These 2 weeks, I'm on a lower carbs, but that's for another video. If you want me to go in depth on my macros, the macros that I follow, I could do another video on that. Today is pretty simple. I started eating pretty late. I'm probably not gonna eat much again, just depends on how I feel. But I've been using the resolution drops. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I do have a video that I posted prior to this that you could go and watch. I'll link it down in the description below. They have and they haven't been suppressing my appetite. I don't know how I feel about them. This is my first week taking it. I have a whole month to go. I'll give you guys a 1 month update if you want. I'm gonna have this with my wings. This is 4.8 ounces of cucumber. I'm gonna have 1 serving of this ranch dressing with it, which is 50 calories. I'm gonna calculate all of that, give you guys a total of my entire meal. I'm going to add my serving of the ranch, which is 29 grams for 50 calories. Add my chicken on here in ounces. Super high in protein, very low in carb. I made this banana bread a few days ago. It's gluten-free. A slice of this is 200 calories, so this with some ice cream should get me below or on my calories for the day. I'm gonna have half a serving of this ice cream, even though I shouldn't. Half a serving, so I'm only gonna do 43 grams with the banana bread. Banana bread, a scoop of ice cream on top. My ice cream smells because I put this in the microwave. And that's it, y'all. I'm going to have my dessert. That is it for the end of the video. By no means do you have to follow the calories that I take per day, you know, tailored to me and my needs and my fitness goals. Everyone's calorie intake is gonna be different. If you do want to try to find your calorie intake, what I suggest is downloading MyFitnessPal. It's free. Taking down everything that you eat per day. You do that for a week. Then you would know how much calories that you have for the day. And then you could go ahead and start tapering that down, because being in a calorie deficit is how you lose weight. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you soon. Have a good night.